Method B is used when the weather resistive barrier will be installed after the windows. The advantage of this technique is it is easier to install over most substrates and not be affected by adverse weather conditions. It is an excellent choice to install over OSB, plywood, dirty, wet, or cold substrates. To use the B method, you begin by flashing the sill. First, we cut the flashing to width. The formula for this is the rough opening plus 2 times the flashing width. That's 24 inches for a rough opening. 2 times the flashing width is 18 inches. That equals 42 inches. The sill flashing always goes on first, before the window. Be sure to staple at the top of the sill flashing only, inside the rough opening, so you'll be able to integrate the weather resistive barrier later. After the sill flashing, we install flashings on each jamb, starting 1/2 inch above the bottom of the sill flashing. These pieces should measure the height of the rough opening plus twice the width of the flashing minus 1 inch. The next step is to install the window according to the window manufacturer's instructions. A nominal 3/8 inch bead of moist soft sealant is placed continuously behind the window mounting flange, covering the pre-punched holes. When setting the window, look for squeeze out. Install the first fastener, then check for plumb, level, and square. Then fasten at the opposite corner and check for plumb, level, and square again. Then continue the installation according to the window manufacturer's instructions. Next, we install the head flashing. The head flashing should be cut to the width of the rough opening plus 2 times the flashing width plus 2 inches. First, we put a bead of sealant at the top of the window. It's important to install the pieces in this order to create the shingle effect, which will channel water down and out of the wall. To complete the installation, we install the weather resistive barrier in weatherboard fashion. As we move up the wall, the weather resistive barrier is applied over the jamb and head flashing. And that completes the Method B installation.